Hello everyone, it's Reese here. Today we're going to be talking about my biggest holding, which is MindMed. MindMed is a psychedelic company which is helping to solve the depression, anxiety, and ADHD crisis going on in the world right now, as well as recently the pain relief opioid epidemic. With this, they are currently valued at $1.3 billion and uh, are trading with an average trading volume of a million, 1.5 million to a million per day. So it's not earning anything per share right now. That is because it's in clinical trials still and waiting for FDA approval. I believe that after FDA approval goes by, the market cap should exceed uh, at least 10 billion, considering the size of money that just America alone has in opioids and many other psychiatrist organizations. So the company should succeed if the drug succeeds as well. Um, so as I mentioned previously, they have plenty of drugs, which are under two projects right now. One is Project Lucy, which is the anxiety, as well as I think ADHD and depression. Um, that is going into 2B clinical trials or phase 2B clinical trials. Um, that will have 200 candidates, and I believe it will be the results most likely at the end of quarter four of probably of this year, meaning around January most likely, um, or January of next year, so December, January. And then the pain relief just started up around a week or two ago, and that will be showing its phase one trials around the end of quarter two, the second half of this year. So why I fell in love with the company, um, along with it helping to cure and help people with mental illness. Uh, it also has a very good CEO, JR Ron. JR, he, from what I understood, watching the live stream and or streams, is he was a previous drug addict, and he had an epiphany when he used LSD, which helped him stop and realize like what he has and what he doesn't want to miss out on. So that helped him, and I believe with the help of scientists and uh, chemists, they can figure out a way to uh, have this psychiatry uh, team work and help cure people, or not cure people, but aid in the process of healing. Um, so along with that, which is good, and it's like it pulls your strings kind of story. Um, he's also backed by Mr. Wonderful, Kevin O'Leary, and as a avid Shark Tank viewer, I can see that he he really knows what he's talking about, and he knows uh, what he's looking for in a CEO. So with Kevin on there, I can kind of have my faith in JR a lot more. Um, but watching JR also makes me put my faith in him and what he can do. Um, so that's really kind of like the backing I can see with that company. Um, and then I kind of get that like push to buy it and the background on it from the Psychedelic Investor here on YouTube. He knows what he's doing when it comes to this psychedelic investing, and he helps me kind of search through the MindMed web pages, not in like a one-on-one scenario, but kind of when he posts it on his YouTube, I'm always there just checking. And uh, if he does come by this video, thank you for helping me. Um, and it's much appreciated. So yeah, and what I've done to help minimize my risk in this company is the pump that recently happened on the Nasdaq from all the FOMO around it. I got a little bit, I cut a little bit of my portion of the stock out just for the to lock in some gains, which I recommend doing if a stock is up 100%, because you don't know if it can go down or it can go up. So lock out at least half of it. That way you can um, hold on to it for as long as possible, and doesn't matter how much it earns or doesn't earn because you already cashed out on what you put in. So you just own the stock basically free of charge is what I how I look at it. So yeah, this is not financial advice, nor am I a financial advisor. This is just my opinion, and I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please hit the like button down below. Please subscribe and comment what you guys are investing in. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.